At the foot of an ancient medieval castle, in a spectacular landscape among vineyards in the north of Italy, you will find a unique company that over the years has established a reputation for excellence, reliability, and an undisputed leadership in the world valve market. This is Vanessa. In a world where apparently everyone strives to be able to do everything, for the past 4 decades, Vanessa has dedicated all of its energies to developing and manufacturing a single product in the best possible way. Almost 40 years ago, Vanessa was the first company in the world to develop a metal-seated, zero-leakage triple offset valve, its Series 30,000. With this innovative product, Vanessa created something of a revolution in the oil and gas, process, and power industries. With its unique features and advantages when compared to traditional valves such as gates, balls, globes, and butterflies, Vanessa created a totally new valve category, triple offset valves. The reasons for Vanessa's success are to be found in the application of advanced manufacturing technology, sophisticated quality controls, and above all, its exclusive design. Vanessa has developed a unique sealing principle for its Series 30,000, the triple offset concept. In this geometrical design, the valve shaft is double offset relative to the seat axis and to the symmetrical axis of the valve, a device that allows for a camming action of the disc as it rotates. In addition, the valve seat is manufactured in a conical form, where the apex of the cone has not been oriented with the symmetrical axis of the valve, and this introduces a third offset. This characteristic completely eliminates any rubbing action of the seal ring with the seat during the 90 degrees of rotation. The sealing elements, the only components that come into contact when seated, are therefore only the seal ring located in the disc and the seat in the body. The seal ring is duplex stainless steel as a minimum, while the body seat is a weld overlay of Stellite Grade 21, which ensures durability in the broadest range of applications and protects the seat from damage caused by long usage. The slanted conical geometry also allows the torque applied to the shaft to radially charge the seal ring. Due to its elasticity and to the radial compression, the seal ring distributes the torque on the seat uniformly. In this way, Vanessa manages to achieve zero leakage. As a result of its fully non-rubbing rotation during the opening and closing phases of the valve, and the high resistance of the metallic materials, the zero leakage performance of the Vanessa valve is fully maintained for a very long time. Every Vanessa valve is tested for zero leakage on multiple test benches that allow open face testing with controlled torque. The inspector, therefore, is actually able to observe the sealing surfaces of the valve under pressure, and this means there is no way of hiding any possible leakage, even during the relatively short duration of the test imposed by international standards. Torque is continually measured and monitored during testing of both gear-operated and actuated valves. It is important to underline that at no time during testing is the Vanessa operator allowed to increase torque, even if this will result in better sealing. This is fundamental to ensure reliable actuator selection and to maintain the tightness performance of the Vanessa valve over time in service. In addition to ambient temperature tests, Vanessa has in-house capabilities to test valves up to 140 inches or 3.5 meters in size from cryogenic to high temperature. Valves of all sizes and ratings can be tested with helium in one of the company's cryogenic testing facilities. The largest of these fully computerized testing facilities is equipped with a 20-ton crane, a 30,000-liter liquid nitrogen tank, and cameras to ensure operation and control in total safety. Furthermore, in response to requests from major oil and gas end users, Vanessa has conducted an extensive series of type approval tests to demonstrate once again the superiority of its design in comparison with all other manufacturers. The entire Vanessa Series 30,000 range has successfully completed a rigorous and lengthy series of tightness and fugitive emission tests. All were performed with helium at temperatures ranging from -196 degrees centigrade or -320 degrees Fahrenheit to 550 degrees centigrade or 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, with pressure from ambient to 225 bar or over 3600 psi, and with hundreds of cycles between every test step. These outstanding results are the logical consequence of constant research and development. Vanessa was a pioneer in the valve industry in the usage of 3D CAD, finite element analysis, and computational fluidodynamic calculations, utilizing the most sophisticated software such as Pro Engineering and ANSYS. These advanced tools have allowed Vanessa to continuously improve its products, expand the manufacturing range, and more importantly, customize its valves to provide solutions to meet its customers' needs. The constant successes of Vanessa valves in the international market have enabled the company to grow continually. From a relatively small 10,000 square meter factory in the 1980s, over the years Vanessa has increased its manufacturing facility to reach 50,000 square meters, with the capability to produce over 30,000 valves per year, with further expansions already planned for the near future. In 2000, to further satisfy its customers' needs, Vanessa built a fully independent production facility next to the main factory based on advanced flow manufacturing technology, with materials pull-driven using a mathematically sized Kanban system. This dedicated factory has been doubled in size during the recent factory expansion and now has an average output of over 1,000 valves per month, with extremely short deliveries. Vanessa produces its complete range of valves using advanced purpose-built machinery, including CNC machining centers for the turning, drilling, and milling of bodies and discs for small and large diameters. As part of the most recent expansion, the latest generation state-of-the-art lathes have been added with turning capabilities up to 3.5 meters or 140 inches. Flexible machining centers with up to 14 pellets have also been installed, allowing Vanessa a unique flexibility and, more importantly, rapidity in delivering its products to the market. Several welding robot systems equipped with welding stations are fundamental in the weld deposit of Stellite 21 or different hard facing of the valve seat. Every phase of the valve manufacturing process is controlled carefully and constantly. The high quality of the process is validated by numerous certifications, in particular ISO 9001. The complex geometry of Vanessa valves requires the most advanced technology for fixture tooling and inspection equipment. Bodies and discs are checked using 3D measuring machines. Very tight tolerances, in the order of fractions of millimeters, are established by the Vanessa Engineering Department, and only when all of these are verified and validated will the dedicated QA/QC inspector give the OK for manufacturing. For over a decade, Vanessa has implemented full traceability of all manufacturing activities for every component of every valve in every order, combined with effective introduction of rigorous methodologies such as Lean and Six Sigma. With the recent introduction of SAP, the company has been able to further refine and control the entire manufacturing cycle. Vanessa knows that alongside the quality of products, delivery integrity is of paramount importance for its customers, and this is only achievable through an effective supply chain. This is why it has established partnerships with its sub-tier suppliers, and for the most important among them, its main foundry has combined with parent company Tyco to acquire it. On June 29, 2011, Tyco acquired Emirate Techno Castings, or ETC, located in the United Arab Emirates, and one of the largest foundries in the world, with a capacity for over 25,000 tons of casting per year. ETC is equipped with vacuum oxygen argon degassing furnaces, enabling it to refine all alloys to meet the most demanding customers' requirements. On-site R&D, a fully equipped laboratory with a full suite of non-destructive examination capabilities, and the use of Magma 3D solidification simulation software to control the pouring process ensure unparalleled quality of castings for all Vanessa valves. Vanessa is proud of the quality and knowledge of its people. A mix of young, skilled, and motivated engineers alongside experienced personnel who have been working in the company for decades enable Vanessa to serve its customers effectively and professionally. Vanessa is fully committed to zero harm, both to people and the environment, and was one of the first valve companies in Italy to be ISO 14001 and OHSAS 18001 certified. The Vanessa Series 30000 is the ideal solution for all applications where positive isolation is required. The quarter-turn design and very low running torque also allow for accurate flow and pressure control, so that the Vanessa valve offers true isolation and control capabilities in a single product. Its robust design and extensive range of materials options, combined with the triple offset geometry, which completely eliminates rubbing between sealing elements, makes the Vanessa valve virtually maintenance-free with a very long life expectancy, offering reliable and failure-free service, which is also proven by SIL3 certification. The lowest torque demand of its category ensures low stress of trim components, so that the tightness performance is long-lasting up to the entire life of the valve. Over 300,000 Vanessa valves are successfully in use worldwide, in a wide range of applications covering oil and gas, upstream and downstream, energy, chemical, petrochemical, iron and steel, food and beverage, from cryogenic up to extremely high temperatures, offering solutions to critical and non-critical applications, ensuring the highest reliability and, more importantly, total safety of your facilities. This allows Vanessa's customers to replace gate, ball, and globe valves safely with substantial reduction of space and weight, and considerably reduced total cost of ownership. Its performance has made Vanessa the leader in its field. Its main objective always remains the satisfaction of the end user, an attitude that is reflected in the assistance offered to its customers. Being part of Tyco, Vanessa has the ability to offer solutions and serve all of its customers in virtually every corner of the globe. Tyco has a worldwide presence with sales offices, service centers, valve automation centers, and inventory of finished products from Europe to the Middle East, north to Latin America, from Australia to China, and India to Southeast Asia. This gives Vanessa a strength no manufacturer that operates through agents or third parties can offer. This is Vanessa, a company dedicated to meeting your needs for quality, reliability, and durability. This is its product. A steel concept created to solve your problems. Vanessa, the advantage of being the first.